Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be predicting Palantir's stock price trend. I'm a swing trader, and I don't consider a stock's price movements beyond a month. This channel only provides short-term stock price forecasts, typically 1 to 3 weeks. Welcome to subscribe. Palantir's stock price rose further on Friday, maintaining its current rebound trend. Prior to this, the stock had been consolidating at a low level for over 2 weeks, which could signal renewed bullish investment and fuel a rebound. The 30-minute chart shows that on August 20th, the stock experienced a sell-off with significantly increased volume, but bulls subsequently pushed the stock price back up to a certain level. This suggests that the market is still reluctant to see a decline. On September 5th, the stock experienced another sell-off by short sellers, but the stock subsequently rebounded strongly, indicating that bulls are still trying to maintain the price. Trading volume has not increased significantly over the past 3 days, indicating cautious trading, but the stock price has broken through its recent consolidation range. This suggests that bulls remain in control. Looking at the stock's position distribution, we see that the majority of positions are currently concentrated in the $148.10 to $167.10 range, and the current share price has already broken through this range. This suggests that bulls have already pushed the stock price to a certain level of stability. The current position volume in the $167.10 to $189.10 range is not large. This suggests that previously high levels of trapped capital have significantly moved downward. This means that if the stock price rises further, selling pressure from trapped capital may be minimal, but profit-taking may curb the stock's upward movement. Let's return to the stock's daily chart. Fundamental analysis. Palantir's revenue soared to over $1 billion in the second quarter of 2025. With a combined revenue and profit growth rate of an astonishing 94%. And with no signs of slowing down, its raised third-quarter earnings guidance would mark the highest quarter-over-quarter growth in Palantir's history. However, can this momentum be sustained? The market seems somewhat concerned. The stock's performance over the past month seems to bear this out. Some analysts point out that the stock's current price-to-earnings ratio of over 500 makes it look very expensive. This suggests that it should eventually fall back to a more reasonable level, well below its current trading level. UBS analysts are taking a wait-and-see approach on Palantir stock. The analyst believes that optimism about the company's market-leading growth and profit margins, as well as its unique advantages in AI, data, and defense technology trends, is already priced into Palantir's share price. The analyst maintained his hold rating with a price target of $165. Currently, Wall Street analysts have a consensus rating of hold on Palantir stock, based on 13 hold recommendations, 4 buy recommendations, and 2 sell recommendations. The average price target for Palantir stock is $154. Suggesting a 10% downside from its current level. The market predicts a high probability of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut this month. If this prediction comes true, it would be positive for the tech sector. However, not all popular tech stocks will continue to rise, and some still face significant downside risk. Technical analysis summary. After several days of consolidation, the stock has been pushed back to a high point by bulls. Clearly, it has regained its support. However, with profit margins already widening, the stock may currently face some downward pressure. However, with a significant amount of long capital still in the area below $160, bulls are unlikely to allow the stock to fall even if it corrects. If the Fed cuts interest rates, the stock could still rise further, but whether it can break through $189.10 remains to be seen. If the Fed does not cut rates, the stock could still fall back below $160. Okay guys, that's my price forecast for Palantir stock. Thank you for watching. If you agree with my analysis, Please share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.